Hey guys, so it's been a while. So today I'm making the Boho braids, and I got the hair on Instagram. I saw them on Instagram and I got the hair, and I got 27 and 30. So I got the hair in color 27 and 30. So this is the 27. They didn't have just they didn't have the 30 in, I wanted 18 inches, but they didn't have, so I got the color 30 in 20 inches. So this is what the color 30 looks like. Oh me, I don't know if this is really, I thought color 30 was a bit darker, but it's okay. The lighter the better. So in 20 inches, and it was called wet wavy, right? Wet coil or something, wet, and the color 27 in 14 inches. Just two. I got just two. I hope it's going to give me what I want, because on their website they wrote for normal Boho braids you need 2, and for very full one you need 3. So I got 2. I don't really like 2 full hair, but I don't want to see the braids. I want to see just the curls. I hope 2 will be enough, sure. And yeah, they are called MH Miko Hype Beauty. This is their bag. Yeah, so let me go into Salon. I'm using Lush extensions for the braid, and the human hair wet wavy curls for the curly parts of the hair. So my hair is already washed, so I hope I don't spend too much time there making this. So I've been recording. I'd been talking. I did not know I did not hit the record button. This is so annoying. Anyway, let me take my glasses off. This is the hair. This is what the hair looks like, and it's late. It's very late. It's to 6:50 right now in the evening, and I finished the hair late. I finished it hair yesterday. I couldn't make the video because I was tired and I was going up. I spent almost 9 hours in that salon. I think this is the first time the lady made this hair, so she struggled a bit with this style. She's used to making the goddess braids where you just put at the tips and maybe 1 or 2 on the braids, but it was a lot. I couldn't even count, probably like 10, 12, but they were not fat, so yeah. And what else? The hair is very light. Is very, very, very light. It's human hair, so it's light, and I like it, but I'm still getting used to it. Maybe in like 4 days, maybe like by Friday, my face will be used to the whole look. And I couldn't finish the 2 bundles, and I thought it would not be enough, so I know better now. When I want to make the hair, I won't be managing, because the first 2 rows I didn't put any because I thought it won't be enough and I couldn't finish it. I still have like half of the other bundle. And what else? Yeah, that's it. It's shedding, not shedding, like it's pulling out a bit because she probably didn't tighten it well. And yeah, that's it. And I got my nails done. Yeah, so what else? If you guys have any questions you have about the hair, you can just leave in the comments section. Yeah, so I gotta go now. So yeah, I also got my lashes done. So bye. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like. I made this hair on the 4th of August, and today is let's see, today is, why am I not saying date? Today's 18, so that's 14 days later. That's 2 weeks later. See, first of all, let's not blame the stylist that made the hair, or the hair. My hair gets like this when I make braids like this. Like 4 days later, you start seeing all these. Right from when I was little, even normal cornrow braids, 4 days later, it gets rough. So we're not gonna judge with the way this place looks. We're gonna judge with the hair itself. So let me take it out. You guys can see my voice is a bit. I traveled, I went home, and all the grandkids were around, so I've been yelling. I just got back home on Saturday, 2 days ago I came back to this. So this is what I do every night before I sleep. Sometimes I put it in 2 braids, but the two braids is uncomfortable to sleep on, so I just put it in this one like this. So this is what it looks. And I've not watered it with the water and condition spray. I've not done that too. I just will open it and just use my hand too. So I've been really mean to this hair. Yeah. But this is what it looks like of taking it out of the braids. So that's what I do. Come this way and use my hand. On a very good day, I'm going to use the water and condition thingy to do it. Maybe I should do that this morning. I think I should do that this morning. So I'll do that and I'll show you guys what it looks like with see this whole place. See, I have to use a comb or something to comb it. So let me go use the water condition to fix it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, now, so I'm done with the water conditioner mix. Is it better now? Was it better? I think there's a huge difference. So I untangled the ones that were tangled and all that. But the thing is, you can still see the braids. I really didn't want to see the braids. So I'll make this hair again. Maybe look for somebody who knows how to make it. And probably make it shorter, not this long, because it's this long. This is like a 20. It's like a 30 inch. It's like a 30 inch. So I'll make it shorter, maybe like a 22 inch, like maybe here when I do it next time, so that it can, you know. Oh, I get why it looks this way, because it's really long. Because you know, if you make hair with curls, the longer it is, I don't know, it's not full, but if it's short, if this hair was shorter, it would have been really full, and I think I would have gotten what I wanted of not seeing the braid. So I try to do edges to the best of my ability. Oh yes, this is what I can do. And yeah, that is the braids, the boho. See, this one is not boho braids. This one is the other one. I've forgotten. I'll check the name because there's another one. Boho braids, and I counted the add-ons was 10. They added 10 to each braid, except the first 2 rows was just the bottom, like this. So that's it. I love the hair. I love the look he gives. See, I can style it any way I want. So if I do a side part, this is what it looks like. And I could bring out just one here, bring out the other one here, and put it in a bun, and be going to where I'm going to. I love the hair. I'll make it again. But it took too much time. Jesus Christ. And what else? Yeah, maintenance is not difficult the way they make it seem. Maybe because I use human hair, it's not difficult at all. Like I said, this is the first time I'm doing the condition and water mix, and I've had this hair for 2 weeks. This is the first time I'm doing that, and I brushed it, and there was some shedding, because of course it's gonna pull out of the braids, the ones that are not really secure tight. And yeah, if you guys have any question about where I got the hair, I already said in the first part of the video. Yeah, but if you have more question on how to find them, I could write their name for you guys in, if you leave the comment. And the braids, like I said, I use Lush extensions for these braids, and the human hair for this strands on it. Maintenance see, I'm a very lazy person when it comes to maintaining hair. I just up and go. I wake up and just I'm out. So but today I have time, I'm at home. I was like, let me do some minimal maintenance, and I want to see if I can go 1 whole month with the hair. So this is it. I love it. Yeah, so yeah. And I do not have much pictures, but any picture I have, I find in my phone. I'm gonna add it onto this video so you guys can see what it looks like. And all my nails are gone, they broke. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I hope to see you in my next video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave your comment. Once again, if you have not subscribed, please help a sister, help a girl out. Subscribe, it's free, and leave your comment if you have more questions about the hair and what it costs to make it. Although to me, I feel like it was expensive, but when you tell other people, like people who live in Lagos, they'll tell you that's very cheap. The life we live in Abuja is it's a considerate lifestyle. Things are very, in fact, they're very considerate over here. So let me just say, they charged me 20,000, that's 20K naira, to make it. And I think I refused to pay the 20K. I told them I ain't gonna pay you no 20K because it's scanty. I didn't even make full hair. So I paid them 18,000 for the hair. And I got the extension, the human hair extension. I think I got it for 150 some, 157, 154 plus shipping because they're in Lagos. So, and the shipping was 5,000 for shipping. And should I say shipping as if it's going over the sea? For delivery, delivery is 5,000, and the hair was 147, I think, for the 2 bundles. And lush extension, the braids, I think it's 6,000 for one. The big pack, I bought and I couldn't even use up to half of that thing. I even gave some out. Somebody was making the same color of braids with me, and she ran out of the extension, the lush extension, so I gave her from mine, and I still had some. I left it with them, I beg. I brought back my human hair. I didn't leave it there. So 2 bundles were 140, 147, 149. Can't remember exactly. Plus the delivery 5K made it 154, 157. I'm not sure, but it's that range. It's not more than that. Is if you like full hair. See, if you like full hair and if you're making in this length, yes, I can understand you're getting 3 bundles. But if you're making a shorter, maybe like a 20 inches, 2 bundles is enough. You will not finish it. Push, don't waste your money. And I'm gonna try another of their braid. There's this other one I really wanted to do, and then I chose this one instead. Body wave. I'm a lover of body wave, even the wig, the weaves. I love body wave a lot, so I'm gonna get the body wave and try that. Yeah, in another 2 months, 3 months time, I'm gonna do that one. So yeah, that's it for the video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, like the video, turn on your notifications, and leave your comments if you have questions. I would answer, and share the video. Yeah, bye.